I'm here today to give you a daily update on SOS. SOS. SOS coming through there. Emergency. As you can see here, we do have an upward sloping resistance line, support line, sorry, coming through. Multiple tests on this. This is the more tests we get on a trend line like this, it's an indication for a break to the downside. Obviously, this launched on the 25th of December, Christmas Day. Fairly new indeed, so there's not that much data to be going off here. We are on the 12-hour chart. In terms of resistance that we can be looking for here, these are very key areas. What does that tell us? This tells us that 491 is the area to be watching here for a potential resistance point. If we get a break, it's not going to be too bad at all, right? If we get a break, it's not going to be too bad at all. We're probably going to go on the most recent uptrend, something along the lines of this. This is going to be the price prediction for that. Still bringing us up to around 619. So yeah, not the end of the world. I would like to see another high low get set after tapping this area, and then we can actually see us hopefully bang it up from there. But key areas to be looking out for are going to be these lower highs, guys. These lower highs at 702. We've obviously got the high coming through at open. That's definitely going to be an area to be looking out for resistance for the future, and also for bounce points in terms of bearish momentum. If Bitcoin is going to start falling off a cliff again, we need to be looking out for these areas as well there. Whether this downtrend is going to continue, whether we are going to see bounces off these candle body close, and if we get and we break this low at 316, then who knows how low we can go. It's going to be the lowest low of all lows here for this chart. So yeah, it's obviously not very good at all. But yeah, overall it is trending down quite aggressively there. Whether that's due to crypto markets in general, I don't actually know any sort of fundamentals about this coin. But yeah, whether it's due to that or whether it's due to it actually just having a big sell-off from the funding from the devs at the start, right? So yeah, we'll just have to see how that does plan out. In terms of resistance lines, right now on the short-term time frame, we are actually seeing this one being very, very, very goddamn dominant. I must say, you can see, look at this, how dominant this is in terms of resistance there. But we are testing this multiple times, and this does indicate some sort of breakout scenario. So areas here to be looking out for here on the short term is going to be this 447 there. That's going to be the sort of the ideal sort of scenario to break that. Then we can come up and test that, invalidating the most recent lower high here on the short term time frame. But overall, guys, I would say macro downtrend. Please be careful with this coin, right? Just be careful. But yeah, that's going to be your overall update of the day.